So in our last video, we had created this program.cs file, and also we did the migration, and we have this database available in our server. Now it's time to run our application. So I need to run this application. So for that, again .NET run. Okay, we got some error over here, and that it is saying that okay, we have provided extra bracket over here. Let's see, let's check in the code. Yes, this should not be there. So I'll remove this, save this, and I'll run it again. First I'll clear this part and then .NET run. Okay, now it has run successfully, and we have this localhost 5181. I'll go to my browser, and here I'll type localhost 5181 slash scalar slash v1. v1 is about the version, and if I press enter, see, this is totally different UI from the Swagger, and it looks, and from my perspective, it looks pretty cool. And we can have these options over here, like night mode, dark mode. All these options are here. So I'll go with this light mode, I mean the day mode, and we have all the APIs available here. And also we can check the models, and the UI is, I think, pretty good and elegant UI we're having compared to Swagger. Swagger is kind of old now. Now let's say if we call any API, what will be the response? So let's say, and we can also download OpenAPI document in JSON format, YAML format. So many things are there. But I never run this API from Scalar. I basically choose Postman for testing APIs. Now let's see how it is responding. All right, let's send. See, the UI is pretty cool. Now we don't have any product in our database. That's why it's giving us the empty array, the empty list. Now let's add some products in our application. So I'll go to this post method and paste. We have AI agent also enabled. So in future, if you need something, you can ask this AI agent. But for now, let's test this. I'll provide name, let's say laptop, and description, notebook for students. Price, I'm going to put some price, let's say 1000, and stock, let's say 23 stocks are there. All right, now let's send this. Wow, we have created our first product in our product catalog, and it has created ID 1. Now let's check in our database also. Tables, let's say select top 1000 queries. Nice, we have one product in our table, and we got this created at. So this is very nice. Now let's go back to our browser, and let me add few more. Let's say I'll add keyboard over here. I'll type wireless keyboard. Sorry for my spellings, I'm very bad at spellings. Now price, I'm going to provide 250, and stock, let's say 100 stocks are available. All right, we have product keyword also. Now let's try this API again. Let's see the response. Well, we got two products listed over here, and we can go for get by ID, but I need to provide ID over here. So let's say 2 is the ID. All right. Now let me try something error. I want to check some errors. So ID, I'll provide 5 over here. Not found, that is also correct. Now we need to update product. Let's say I want to update this product of ID 2, and the name should be again same, keyboards, and then the description wireless keyboard. And the price, I want to reduce this price this time. Let's say 150, it was 250 earlier. And the stock I want to provide, like let's say 50 stocks are there. So earlier it was 100. Okay, before I run this, let me have it run again. So we have 100 keyboard, and the spelling is keyboard, not keyboards, and the price is 250. Now let's execute this API. Now name has changed to keyboards, and the price is 150, stock 50. Now let's check in our database. I can remove it to normal. Now we have 150 price and stock is 50. Now I want to delete one of this product. We have updated. Now we need to delete one of this product. So I'll delete the first product, that is laptop. I'll try the wrong value over here. Not found. Now let's type 1 and send. Okay, we don't have any response, but let's see the headers. Because in body it didn't provide any response, correct response for the UI, but it has been deleted, I guess. Now let's try again with get by ID request. So it is saying not found. Also check in our database. It is saying it is only 2. The ID is 2 only available there. Now let's do one more error checking. Let's say I want to create a product without some of the value. Let's say I don't want to provide any value in name, or let's say we will have mouse over here, but not price. One or more validation errors occurs. So these are the validations. So price needs to be provided. All right, so I think we are done with this application, and we have completed the whole REST API for our .NET 10 SDK and .NET application. So thank you guys for being with this journey. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. If you have any queries, anything, you can always write in comment. Thank you again.